everyone, today I'm going to be sharing my best Dollar Tree haul this year so far. Normally I do not upload hauls back to back, but I'm doing it this week because I really wanted to share with you guys these items before they sell out. We're starting off with this small colander bin. It says that it air vents to keep produce fresh, and you can see the colander is inside of there, so if you put any wet fruit or vegetables inside of there, it's going to go ahead and drip the water down to the bottom. Now, this is a brand that they sell at Walmart, and I'm starting to notice that a lot of Walmart products are making their way into Dollar Tree. This, I think, is a great price for $1.25. It is a thicker plastic. It says recycled plastic 100%, and there is a nice lid on the top that's nice and sturdy, because sometimes when you're buying the plastic stuff from Dollar Tree, it could be a bit more flimsy, but this is a thicker plastic that's much nicer than what Dollar Tree normally carries, especially because it's from a different brand, not Greenbrier, so you're going to get a little bit of a better quality. Sorry about the barking. I have 2 dogs now, as you guys know, but we're taking care of my in-laws' dogs, so there's 4 Yorkies behind me right now. Next up, we got these silicone measuring cups for $1.50. You're going to get 4 of them, and they are collapsible. They are similar to this 4-pack at Target for $11.99. And this is something you can actually buy at Target, because lots of times I watch these hauls and people are like, oh, you're going to save $50 on this, but they're just showing a listing that's on eBay and lots of these websites, even Target, they have individual sellers, so I can just put this up for $50. This is something you can actually find in Target that's going to be a lot more money, so you definitely are saving money. These are a steal. For $1.50 right now. You can find these kitchen utensils for $1.50 each by the brand Gibson Home, which is a name brand that Target and Walmart both carry. Dollar Tree is getting in a lot of Gibson Home items right now. I don't know if they're going under, or these are just products that didn't sell, or maybe they're bringing out a new line with a different look. These are very nice, or great quality. You got this wooden handle with the silicone top. They have spoons that have a little slotted end to them. They're spatulas. They've got so many different ones to choose from. These look very similar to the Nordic piece utensil set that is 12 pieces for $36. Again, this is a steal if you see them. Like I said, better quality than what Dollar Tree normally has, just like their plastic utensils. These are much sturdier and are going to last a longer time. Now here we have this 2-piece beechwood peeler set. So these are meant to peel fruits and vegetables for $1.50. You're gonna get 2 of them, and they look super nice. I do think about the future when I buy products like this. They just look so high end. So I think about making Christmas gift baskets and birthday gift baskets using these. You can use this one with some fruits and vegetables, do a cute little basket out of that, or the silicone spoon that looks like a little ladle for soup. You can go ahead and do like a soup themed gift basket and add that. I think I'm going to repeat this a lot in this video, but again, if you could find these, it's way better quality than the Dollar Tree vegetable peelers. I do not like those. Now, this next product Dollar Tree has carried for a while, but they have upgraded it. It is the fridge storage bins. This is how they used to look, and now they look like this. They are deeper, a thicker plastic, much clearer. They just look so much more high-end compared to this. These are meant to hold fruits and vegetables inside of the refrigerator, but you can also use them inside of the pantry. Honestly, you can use them wherever you want. You can just see the difference. This is much more worth it than this, and they carry both of them still, but I would go with this one for $1.50. I'm keeping this haul more laid back, like the way I used to do it, just sharing with you guys products, not too many DIYs. And if you're enjoying this, please leave a comment below, like the video, or share it. It really helps my channel out, and my channel isn't doing too hot right now. It's just on YouTube, you have to be consistent, and with my health, I just have not been consistent this year or last year. I've been skipping a lot of weeks, not uploading frequently. I'm still trying to figure out what's wrong with me. I have had a colonoscopy, endoscopy done recently. They didn't see anything. I had some iron infusions recently because I am anemic, and I'm hoping that they kick in, but I just don't know what's going on, and I'm just tired a lot. My body's sore a lot. So, I mean, keep me in your prayers. And yeah, if you like the video, make sure you do all the good stuff. That really helps my channel out and my video out. But I'm just so over it. Sometimes I'm just like, am I in menopause? But they tell me I'm not. I just feel like I've got every symptom in the book, and it's just been really, really hard. So keep me in your prayers, and I'm going to keep you guys in my prayers, because I do know as we age, we have to take care of ourselves, and things just happen. And you know, you got to do a lot of fighting for yourself and advocating. So I'm praying for you guys as well. Anyways, let's continue with the haul. If you have an air fryer right now, they got in these silicone air fryer liners. These are great for cleaning up inside of the air fryer. Lots of times when you cook inside of there, things get stuck in little crevices. It gets crusty, musty. This keeps it nice and clean and easy to take out all the food. This is from the brand Healthy Eating by CWC. CWC is a brand that Walmart does carry. So this is a great price, $1.50 for each one. When I saw these for $1.25, I was like, heck yeah, Dollar Tree. It is these Prime Art premium markers. These are fabric markers. You're going to get 5 for $1.25. They've got your basic colors and then they got some pastel colors. These are very pigmented, super fun. You don't have to use them on just fabric, but they're going to work really well on fabric. And again, $1.25. I tried to see if I could find where they are sold at, and I could not find that, but I could just find the website. So I don't know how much these usually sell for, but I'm going to guess not $1.25. Dollar Tree recently got in these ceramic vases for $1.25. A bunch of different designs, but these two I felt look more high-end or more modern. You can paint over them, and I like that they're ceramic because I feel like ceramic vases, they look much classier to me than like some of the vases that you get from Dollar Tree that are plastic. Dollar Tree's back at it with the Touchland hand sanitizer dupes. They got more Be Pure hand sanitizers for $1.25. The Touchland stuff sells for $10. These are the exact same thing. They have really good scents. This one is a sugared pistachio scent that they got in, and then vanilla cream. They also brought out more of the hand sanitizer cases, but I really like these colors because they're just very minimal colors versus the bright like pink that they get in and the bright red. I like this a lot better. Dollar Tree is starting to change the packaging of their Crafter Square products, and with that change, they're bringing out some new products that are super fun. I found these diamond painting coasters. So coasters, you just diamond paint right on top of. They also have the diamond painting little kits that you can buy, just little art. It's about 6 by 6 inches. They also have these little crochet kits. I passed on that because I don't know how to crochet. And then these felt kits, which honestly, they look so cute. I bought one before. I tried it. I stabbed myself with the needle and I was like, you know what? This is not for me. But they're just bringing out a bunch of new items in this section because of the switch to the labels. This is another new product in the kitchen section of Dollar Tree. It is these Joy reusable freezer bags. Now in the past, they have carried sandwich bags and snack bags that are reusable. This is the first time I've seen reusable freezer bags at Dollar Tree, and I got 4 for $1.50. These seem to be a good quality, a bit thicker than the Greenbrier one, so I'm excited to give these a try. This next product is funny because of the way that it looks. It is this axe pizza cutter, again by this brand Joy. Look at this thing. I don't know how well it cuts pizza, but it does look pretty funny. This is another one where I was like, you know what, I could buy it and use it in a gift basket, like a little cute make your own pizza gift basket, and throw this inside of there. I shared these with you guys recently and I wanted to share them again because I love them. I found more of them. It is these Snackle boxes. You're gonna get 2 for $1.25, and you can do cute little Easter baskets, cute little gifts using these. Now I also wanted to share the new chenille patches that they got in. You can put these on the front of the little Snackle boxes and give them away as a gift. And again, you don't have to put snacks inside of there. You can put whatever you want inside of there. I thought it would be fun to add these to the front of the Snackle boxes. Dollar Tree now is getting Essie nail polishes in full size for $1.25. I think these are from the holiday season because they have Christmas trees at the top. So they're not all separated, because sometimes Dollar Tree, when they get nail polish in that same brand, it's separated, and I feel like they got it because it was old. These are brand new, and I found them at multiple Dollar Trees. So it's not like I just got lucky at one and they weren't separated. I feel like they're getting these in and they're still good. I wanted to highlight this makeup that Dollar Tree's getting in right now. So it's Flower by Drew Barrymore. They do carry it at Walmart. Their little 4 eyeshadow quads usually sell for around $8. You can find them right now at Dollar Tree for $1.25. That is what I have on my eyes right now. They are really pretty colors that I got. This is the Petal Play Set. I like more neutral brown type of colors. That's what this is. And then I found this Cream and Chrome Eyeliner Duo. This is $1.25 at Dollar Tree, but at Walmart it retails for around around $12. I really wanted to highlight these because I do like her brand, and to find them for $1.25, these pieces, it's a really good price. Here's yet another new item you're going to find in the kitchen section. It is this tablecloth. Now this is not just a normal Dollar Tree tablecloth. This does come with 2 clips that you use to clip down the tablecloth. If there's something I know about parties outside, you got to tape down those tablecloths because they just keep trying to fly away, especially with the birthdays I have for my kids. They're May, July, questionable weather, and these are going to come in handy because once this tablecloth is all beat down, I can still use these clips. You're going to get 4 clips with this, and it says that this tablecloth is durable, reusable, and easy to wipe clean. You can tell it's better quality than the cheaper, thinner plastic tablecloths Dollar Tree normally gets in. I shared this with you guys last week, but I wanted to go into more detail with the products Dollar Tree has with their new lemon collection. Dollar Tree is bringing back out the lemon collection, which they get in every year, but it's a little bit different, and they have some new products with this. So first off, something that is a bit different is the kitchen towel they get in. This one is a better quality than what they normally have. It's a little bit thicker, and I like the lemons on it a lot better. Then they got these mason jars. They are big mason jars with a lemon on the front of it, and then the cap is just so cute. It's just perfect for summertime. And I didn't really get to share this too much with you guys last week, these lemon jars with a lid and a straw. This is so fun for summertime, for like a little brunch get together, for a party, a lemon based baby shower. I just feel like the items in this collection would be great for that. I really wanted to share this planter with you guys. I saw it at Dollar Tree and I was like, okay, it has to be a $5 planter. No, it is $3 for this big planter. I cannot wait to do my planter video this year because I feel like I can do some really cool things with the bigger planters they got in recently at Dollar Tree. I was surprised that this was $3. Dollar Tree got in these bread keepers with lids. You put your bread inside of there, you wrap the bag around the lid, and then you take the bread out that way. It's supposed to keep it more fresh, stops it from getting stale. You can also use this to organize like different types of pastas, or if you have a lot of rice. It's a big container. Dollar Tree recently got in these Easter baskets that have little charms with them, and after your child gets their Easter basket, you can use these all year for summer. And I wanted to share with you guys the shoe charms that they get in do go on these bags, and they got some new ones in I wanted to share with you guys that are super cute. They got this one that has a little turtle, ice cream, sun, and something that says be happy, and then these ones that look neon. I actually went to Menards and I bought these charms for, I think it was like $2.99, and I only get 2 more charms for that price. I recently went to Menards and I got these beach bag charms. It was $3.99 and I only get 2 more for that price. So I feel like $1.25 is perfect. And like I said, these do go on those bags and they work on Crocs. I really wanted to share this next set of products with you guys. It is very similar to the ordinary skin care products that you find at Ulta and Sephora. So it is by this brand called Revive RX. They have a bunch of products that are like anti-aging, just helping your skin out. They have this, I can't say this word, ceramides mask. It has copper peptides, repairs and hydrates. It says it's skin repairs, it improves skin texture, reduces inflammation, it boosts skin hydration. I also found this face and neck firming cream that lifts and tightens, which, oh my gosh, I feel like I need that a lot. Like, oh. I think this is the first thing on me that's really starting to age. I've got some gray hairs and my hands look a little dry. It's happening, you guys. My age is catching up. Okay, anyways, they also have this naturally moisturizing factors face and body spray. It targets dry skin, which I definitely have that's what I got. My skin is so dry. I think it's from 12 years of working at a grocery store in the cooler. And then they have an anti-aging retinol foaming facial cleanser. Lots of products. I'm excited to try them. Like Dollar Tree honestly has done such a good job with some of their skincare products. Oh, just look at the ingredients, compare them to other stuff. There is a website I'll link down below for you guys where you can see dupes to Dollar Tree products and other products. They've just done such a good job lately. And again, just look at the ingredients. We're definitely trying this on camera, okay? So I found this at Dollar Tree. Never seen it before. Poppin' Cobb's microwave popcorn on the cob. So it is a corn on the cob, and we are gonna put it in the microwave and it's gonna make popcorn. And I just really wanted to try this. just wanted to share it with you guys.
Okay, so this comes with a brown bag. You put the corn on the cob inside of the brown bag, and then you microwave it for 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. I did 2 minutes. And then you just let the popcorn pop. When you start to hear it popping every 1.5 to 2 seconds, that's when it says it's ready. And then you're left with the most bland tasting popcorn because there's nothing on it. There's no butter, there's no salt. You have to add that. Honestly, it sounded fun to me, but then once I did it, I was like, I'd rather deal with a bag of popcorn because it's much more flavorful.
It's so bland. Because, you know, it doesn't have the butter on it or anything. It's so bland.
I am all for the party supply items at Dollar Tree. That is another section that hasn't gone up. It's still $1.25. So I found this balloon stick. So this is similar to the balloon sticks that you would get in the past. I had a smaller base, but this base is much bigger. And I like that because the one that had the smaller base, any type of wind, even from somebody walking past it, would make it fall down. This doesn't do that. This base is better. So I was excited to see that. These things are awesome, you guys. Like, if you can do your own balloons for a party, do them. You're gonna save a lot of money. Sometimes I don't do the balloons if it's an arch because I'm doing so much and it's expensive. When I can do it myself, I try to do it myself. You guys, I did it. I bought something for $10 at Dollar Tree. I've never bought anything for more than $7 at Dollar Tree. Maybe something around $8. I can't remember, but this is 10 bucks. It is a wood crate for $10. I love wood crates. I actually use these as shelving inside of my closet that's right over there. It fits perfectly. I have done so many DIYs with these, and when I used to buy them in the past, they were $10 at Joann Fabrics. The price has gone up, but now I can find them for $10 again at Dollar Tree, and it's the exact same size I am used to. So I wanted to share that with you guys because if you too like to do crafts with the wood crates and you used to buy them at Joann's for 10 bucks, you can now get them at Dollar Tree for the same price.
So this is a DIY and I wanted to share it with you guys because Easter's just around the corner and I'm not going to be putting this in a different video. This is a great, easy Easter basket idea. It's not really a basket, but the same vibe. Basically, you want to get whatever you want. Toys, coloring books, everything I got from Dollar Tree except for the little Peppa Pig doll you're going to see in a second. And what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of foam board from Dollar Tree and some glue dots. You're going to put glue dots on the back of some of the items and then tape as well, especially using the tape on the items that are on the edges of the foam board. You don't have to put too many glue dots on the back of each item, just enough to keep it into place. The items that are on the edges of the foam board, you want to make sure you're using tape to tape them into place. You can cover the entire piece of foam board if you want to. I did not, so I cut off any foam board I do not need. Next up, I got some cellophane wrap. I got a pink one and a clear one. The pink one I'm going to be putting on the bottom of this only. I go ahead, cut it down, and tape it into place. Then the clear piece is going to lay on top of this. Listen, I cut the piece too short. You have to cut it longer to tie the ends like I did. And the longer it is, the easier it's going to be. I decided to cut it shorter and that doesn't work, so make it long. This is supposed to look like a big piece of candy, so I zip tie the ends into place. I use a zip tie just because it's easier and it really stays in place. You can always cover up the zip tie with some ribbon if you want to, but this is just an easy Easter basket gift idea. It's a fun way to gift something versus just your regular Easter basket. I wanted to share this because Easter is just around the corner, and like I said, I'm not going to be uploading this and anything else.
Finally, I found the Sesame Street dog toys for $1.50 each. They got Elmo, Big Bird, and Cookie Monster. You guys, Dollar Tree has raised its prices pretty much in every section to $1.50. I just went to Dollar Tree and I saw that the food is now $1.50 or more. And I just find it so crazy. I just feel like I understand they have to raise prices, but Dollar Tree is consistent. It's like every year it's been like 2 times, 3 times a year they're changing the prices on everything. And so it's disappointing to see. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, especially with it being more like an old school video. Usually in my hauls, I try to demonstrate everything. I try to do DIYs, and this one is more like, this is what I got, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, thank you so much for watching my videos and my channel. It means a lot to me, and I just want to say thank you again. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.